Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finally tuning my Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9, and after this tune we should be able to finally take it out on meet, event, drag events. I do want to start tracking this thing. Honestly, it's one of the things I've always wanted to do and never really had the chance to do it. So hopefully after today the car will be one, reliable as far as performance, because we're gonna get it tuned properly. Two, somewhat quick. We are in the stock Evo 9 Turbo, so I'm not expecting crazy amounts of power. And three, I do want to switch out this speed density intake that we got from the guys over at Matt Performance. They also did give me a discount code. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. Basically every time you guys buy something you get a discount, and that gives me points so that I can get discounts as well. So it's kind of like a win-win. And I'm also pretty hyped because if you've been keeping up on Instagram, you guys know I released the new Race Legacy drop. I do have the classic design with the wrenches with the built knot bots on the bottom. For you guys that like color in cars, I did make one of the DSM as well. Been waiting for that damn ice cream truck to leave. I do have the VR4 just chilling. I know some of you guys want to see this thing in the channel a lot more, so do expect more videos on this thing eventually. It's kind of cool to have the trio between the Evo, the VR4, and the Eclipse. Same thing as the shirts. I did get a limited quantity of these poster with a glossy finish. I am going to be signing them for those of you guys that always want stuff like that. And of course I did get the classic DSM sticker right here. I do have a classic version of this Evo sticker, and this is the limited 1 of 50 holographic Evo sticker. Once these are sold out, they will no longer come back ever. So that's pretty much it for the drop. Something simple and basic. If you guys want to check it out, again, link in the description. And if you don't want to buy anything, or you simply can't right now, I absolutely understand, and I'm completely okay with that. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video and support in any way you can. So at this point, let me start putting on the speed density intake on the Evo, and then from there we can start heading out to road race and see how much power this thing puts out. Before I head out there, comment down below your guess on what this car is going to make. Evo 9 Turbo, full bolt-ons, 1000cc injectors, Walbro 255, standalone ECU, and E85. This is made for speed density. If you're still on the math, you want to keep an intake where you can run this guy, but as you guys can see how messy and ugly this looks compared to this. It's just simple. My bait is still super dirty, it's still super basic. It's again stock turbo, but I do want to upgrade things little by little. Is currently crooked. I did have some suspension work done, so I do need alignment. I am waiting because we are going to be switching up the wheel setup on this car super soon. Currently $289 for some E85 versus almost $5 for these California gas prices, man. Way too expensive. I don't even know why I popped this out. But yeah, currently on 91. Once Sam tunes it on 91, then we can switch over to 85. And we're pulling up to DSM at Evo headquarters. If you're an OG DSMer, you've known about road race for a while now. Have another graphite gray MR, another Evo, and you got a 1G with a full-on roll cage, another Evo, good old GSX. Tune does take a couple hours, so we might be here probably around till midnight because it's currently 6:12. Sam isn't here yet. Once he pulls up, he has to set everything up, and of course it's a very time-consuming process because he has to like do all the stuff with the dash and do all the stuff with the ECU. It's a little bit different, so it's a little more complex, but hopefully all goes well. Whenever I get a car tuned, I always get super nervous because you never know what's gonna happen. The Evo is on the DYNO pack. They're about to start dyno tuning it. I'll go ahead and film any of the pulls and the power output between 91 and ethanol. So just like I did it with the DSM video, which if you haven't seen, I'll put it right here.
A few moments later.
Once he has the final numbers for the 91 tune, I'll let you guys know what he did. He did just do a wastegate run, and I think it was around 240 wheel, which is pretty low, but that's just wastegate pressure. So once he raises a boost and we go over to ethanol, I do expect a huge increase in power. So far so good, no issues so far. It is currently 11:12, so we're gonna be here a while. Yeah, so we ended up running out of fuel at 333 wheel horsepower. I'm starting to think that the Evo might actually make less power than the DSM, because when the DSM got tuned here previously, it made 370 to the wheels on pump. The Evo only made 333. Once we go ethanol, obviously we're gonna have a huge increase in power, but I don't think it's gonna reach the power output of the DSM being at 440 and 413 torque, but we'll see. I might be surprised. I do want to make a video where we race both the DSM and the Evo. I think that would be pretty sick to kind of see the difference between both cars having the same exact setup, just different chassis. Lots of good numbers. I just peeped and I saw 430 wheels, so it's 10 behind the DSM, but she does sound super good. You should be doing the launch control setup right now in the rolling anti-lag, so hopefully I'm able to get that on video for you guys. But it's already pretty much caught up with DSM once we went on ethanol. As you guys can see, going over to E85 is always worth it because the car runs a lot faster, huge power increase. It's better for the environment if you're into that stuff, and the engine just tends to run a lot cooler. So the only downside to that is that, hold up. On pump gas, it made 324 foot-pounds of torque, 341 wheel. On E85, it made 428 foot-pounds, and it made 439 wheel, which is basically the same as the DSM actually, just a little more torque. Overall, I'm pretty happy because it actually kept up with the DSM as far as power output, and it actually produced 430 foot-pounds of torque, which is actually a lot more than the DSM being at 413. So at this point, we're gonna get off the Dynapacks. I'll put you guys on the GoPro, get going. I do want to get some nice test runs with this thing, so. Okay. Fill this up as well. But honestly, 289 is way cheaper than like $5 for 91 right now.
The next day.
What's up with what? Wait, what'd you say?
I said, what's up, sugar tits?
That's my ECU.
Why? Why?
Get in.
What, am I supposed to put my feet like this? Wait, yeah, right. Oh! My back! My neck! My... Don't you want more straight away? Should I go back there? So which way do you want to come?
I'm I'm gonna do 2 pulls both ways for you. That's all you need you to get. Oh, camera's right here. Your name. Boba or what?
Yes.
Let's go.
Cheese and rice, man. Oh my goodness, the shame you shall have. He did not hard park it.
We don't do that here.
Boba Tea Lounge, where Eclipse, Evo, and Miguel DSM had their secret car meets.
Secret car meets?
Yeah, remember?
Is that what you call them?
Yoga in a parking lot.
Nice.
I can't look anywhere else because I have to stay and look at a still object.
Look at that Evo though.
I'm over here balancing for you.
Got myself a banana smoothie. And what did you get? The usual?
High tea blended, baby.
That should be good, honestly. The lights.
I'm trying.
It's just the outro. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tune. Car did great, way better than I expected. I did come pick up Marissa for some boba. I got a banana smoothie, super good. What did you think of the Evo though?
I was outside of it.
Yeah, she really didn't get to experience it. So we are gonna go to Cars and Coffee event in a couple days. So I'm gonna bring her along. I'm gonna do like a reaction video with her in the car, just like I did with the DSM. I'm gonna see what she thinks, considering that she has a stock Evo. She doesn't really know what it feels like to be in a, you know, in a fast Evo. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
He's now single.
And I'll see you on the next one.